welcome back to our channel. And this will be a complete series of Python tutorial. So let's first discover how to install Python and how to we are going to use VS Code as the IDE. So IDE is basically helps you to write the code in an efficient way. Just search for VS Code download. I will also give these links in the description below, so that make sure that you don't face any problems. And for Windows you can download this, or you can select the versions you want, that is 32-bit, 64-bit, and for Linux also, and for Mac also you can download VS Code, right? So after downloading, you have to just install the VS Code as you install any game or anything like that software. So just install VS Code. I cannot show you that process. So just download. After downloading, the view should be like this, like it's a VS Code view. So here is a run and debug option. Here are the extensions which are available. So just search for Python extension and just install this extension, as I have already installed. This is no need to install. So these only extensions you need to install, that is Python, that is provided by Microsoft, right? So you just need to install that. So after installing Python, just let's come to the browser again, and we will search for Python download, right? So Python download, it means we are downloading the interpreter that helps you to run our code. So we will just download this, that is Python 3.8.6. This is the latest version available. So just download it, and also install this. If like you install another software or anything like that, just make sure to tick that it gives automatic part to the system variables, right? Just tick that option while installing. This is the first option available. So after installing, you can see the different folders that are available here, right? So here you can see the difference. So I will just show you where this Python tutorial and hello world is present in my disk, right? So let's go to my disk, and I will show you here. So here you can see there is a folder called Python tutorial, and in this hello world .py, you should save all your files into .py extension, as it is the extension for Python files. So you can create this new file here by using that add option, and you can suppose I have created code.py, and here you will type any code you want. Suppose for example I will just type a print statement, and I will just type here that Python file, right? Okay, and we will run this. You will select Python file, and when you run this, you should see the output here, that is in the terminal, right? So our output has came, that is Python file. So this works fine. If your Python ID, VS Code or Python is not showing like this, so you need to reinstall VS Code and Python. Probably it should work, right? So this is pretty basic. You don't need to add any path or anything in VS Code for Python, right? It will automatically detect your interpreter. This one small dialog box will come, that is select interpreter, and then click on that, and then just select the Python interpreter 3.8.6. so just make sure that you only download this from Microsoft only. There are various other options also available, but we don't need that. We only need the provided, that is by Microsoft. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you have understood how to install VS Code and Python.